All right, we're back out here on the X2, following up on the last video of doing the carb swap and everything and getting the intake opened up. So that's where we're at right now. We're gonna go ahead and get everything and stick it on there. So check it out. Alright, so we have now got all new gaskets, got the intake on here, the little adapters on here, gasket. So everything's ready in here for the carb to be put on. Now we got the throttle cable obviously coming straight down and stopping right here. I'm going to attempt to put the wheel and all that on there and see if I can make it work with the throttle cable coming straight down, pulling up. Still gonna have to figure out this. I may end up getting a primer. Not 100% sure if I want to order a primer and all that for this kit or this carb. Reason being is I'm kind of looking into maybe doing a motor swap, doing a different motor and everything. So don't really know if I want to spend 30 something bucks on a primer kit for this carb when I won't end up using it. So for now, I'm just going to leave the choke flap and everything on here like it is. I may have to just manually use it unless I can rig the cable up. But when you're doing this kit, you're going to end up going with, from what I've been suggested to use, we'll find out once I get it all on there, but 2.5 needle and seat. I think it was a 145 main. Yeah, 145 main and a 115 pilot, and then a 115 on the spring gram as well. So it's a gold spring. Yeah, so that's what we got to get these put in here and get the new kit put on there, change the pump out, all them parts and everything. And yeah, once we've done that, we can stick it on there and see if we can get this thing cranked up. So okay, got it in here, got it tightened down. I've got the intake part of the fuel pump plugged in over here, obviously. Oh, sorry, there. Let me see if I can get this right here. So you got the intake for the fuel pump going to the far one, and then the top fitting is going to be the return. Bottom's going to be for the fuel. So I got to find the fuel line, plug it on there, then return, and then I'm going to have to figure out how I can get this over here and rig it up on that, and then we'll try to give it a start. So super close. Well, the Novi bracket is not lined up enough for me, so got this other little bracket right here, kind of got twisted and bent, that will screw in here and here. That one should work, so I gotta get this bracket pulled off and then get that one screwed on. All right, here it is. Brackets mounted on here now. Obviously, I had to do some threads in there and everything, and I had some bolts and all that. So hopefully it's lined up enough to where it'll work. If not, I may have to groove this out a little bit further in, but I think it might work. So yeah, that was can't remember what size that was. What was that? M6 1.0 was the thread that I had to do. So yeah, it worked out really good. Let's get this thing stuck on there. All right, you can see I got it all rigged up, everything. Got all the lines connected over here temporarily. Got the cable. It's not exactly the best angle right now. May have to take it back off and change the angle of it, but it's doing its job, as you can see. So I'm gonna give it a try. Hopefully it's not idled up too much. Got it all started up now. I've got them roughly, both screws are roughly 2 inches. Both high and low screw settings are out, 2 whole turns. Obviously, I'm gonna have to kind of finagle, tune it and everything at the water once it's in the water. But we've got it where it's we got it all rigged up. And like I said, the throttle cable is a little crooked. I might have to work on that. But right now, that's the full kit. So I'm kind of excited to see how it's going to do. See if we got any performance mods on that or performance gains out of that and everything. So yeah, we're one step closer to really getting going on this build. Definitely got it locked down on the color and stuff, so we're definitely going to be doing, but just wanting to get some more power out of it between now and then. And I'm kind of in talks of maybe doing a motor swap, and I'll leave it at that as to what kind of motor that I'm going to put in here. It might be Kawi, might be a Yamaha, but that's it. Thanks for sticking with me this long, and we're getting there. Like I said, we're working on it when I get some free time and all that. So yeah, got that working. But I guess tomorrow or next couple days, I'm gonna put it in the water and tune it and everything, see what kind of power we get out of it. So we'll see you on the next one.
Hey.